Hey guys, welcome to another adventure. Managed to get everything set up before the rain started. Hopefully we can do some fishing and gather some wood for the fire tonight. And if we're lucky, we'll do a catch and cook and hopefully have a little bit of trout for dinner. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoy the adventure. Cheers, guys. Oh yeah, bud. I have a very limited gas canister that I brought with me, so I'll definitely need the fire to cook my food. So I'll take all the necessary precautions, and then of course remember to leave everything as you found it. Leave no trace. Let's go find some rocks. Let's build a nice little fireplace. It looks like a good one. This is a good one too. So not only is it a safer way to have a fire, but also those rocks will contain the heat from the fire and actually radiate more heat back to me. Time to get some wood now. We need some kindling and some thicker wood as well for tonight. And then hopefully we can try and do a little bit of fishing. Okay. So we got our wood sorted for tonight. Now it's time for fishing. Let's give it a go. Let's go. Let's go over there, guys. Looks like a good spot. Oh, this looks like a great spot. This looks fishy. Here goes nothing. Fish on, baby. Little one. Little baby one. Nice. Oh, actually, you know what? That's not a bad size at all. Nice trout. Oh, I lost him. That was silly. Now I got my best lure. No, I need this lure. Yes, baby. Come on. Didn't lose it. All right, let's move spots because it's pretty shallow over here. So I'm gonna try and see if I can get a little bit more that way. Seems to be steeper and maybe more fish. This spot here could be good. Does actually look a bit deeper. That's a fish. That is a fish. Yes, baby. Come on. Nice. Bigger than the last one too. Oh, barely hooked. So I'm gonna keep this one, guys. Put him out of his misery quick, and it's gonna be dinner. What a beautiful fish, huh? Look at the markings. Well, there's our fish, served on a plate of moss. Let's go back to camp, guys. Pretty cool, huh? Everything's super wet, so we gotta be super methodical with the process. Have a bunch of dried grass that I picked up this morning. It was wet when I picked it up, but I stashed it into my back pocket for the whole day, and hopefully it will take a spark. Here we go. This is a flash one, so oof. Oh no, oh no. I don't know about this, guys. Oy, oy, oy. That's coming with me. And that. Oh yeah, the trout actually kind of absorbed a bit of the broccoli taste. Really nice. Look at that piece of trout right there. Actually tastes amazing. Tail. Oh, tail's so good. Just sad it's over actually. But really grateful for this guy's life. Really appreciate that, buddy. There's the spine. Not much left. This right here is the life, guys. Absolutely priceless. Absolutely priceless. Needless to say, guys, that was a fantastic meal. Wow, so grateful to be here. So I've been relaxing here by the fire for a good hour or so. Sound of the wind blowing through the trees, the smell of the fire, sound of the water splashing against the shore. There's this beautiful cuckoo bird that does a beautiful call. Really grateful to be here and appreciate you joining me on the adventure. Still a bit hungry, guys. That trout was delicious, but it was pretty small, so I think I'm gonna have a little bit more food beyond the sausages. Cooking straight on a stick, no cleanup. Easiest and tastiest way to do it, so there you go. Yup, I dropped the sausage like a moron on a stick, so pan it is. Oh yeah. It's about 8:30 p.m. now. There's a half an hour left of sunlight. Wind seems to have come down slightly, so I'm gonna try do a little bit of fishing just for fun. I'll return if I catch something. I'll return it. Big uprooted tree, hopefully that one doesn't fall on me. Oh. Well guys, that was an absolutely awesome day. Hope you have a good night and I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning guys, it's about 6 a.m. I'm gonna try and pack everything away and maybe do a little bit of fishing. Should be a good time for it. Got a little fish on, baby. I got snagged slightly. Here you go, buddy. Beautiful fish. Gorgeous. That's coming with me. Does that need to be in this gorgeous, beautiful place, guys. That doesn't belong here, clearly. One less piece of rubbish, though. I often ask myself, why do I do this? An attempt to answer this question is, I do it to have the opportunity to strip down my existence to core basics: food, fire, water, and shelter. These simple things can give us immense happiness when not taken for granted. But in order to appreciate them, first we must feel the cold, the thirst, and hunger. Getting out here can provide a reset of values and a new appreciation for life. Nothing heals the soul better than Mother Nature herself. Thank you for watching, and looking forward to joining you on the next adventure.